Imagine this. You're driving a luxury car, living in a big house, but your bank account is empty. You're drowning in debt, and every month is a struggle. Sound familiar? Or maybe you're just starting out, trying to figure out how to invest your first paycheck. Whatever your situation, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to reveal the truth about building real wealth without the ego trips and flashy distractions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grow your bank account, not your ego. Stick with me, because this could be the moment your financial life changes forever. Let's start with parents. I know how tough it is. You're trying to provide for your family, but the bills keep piling up. It's easy to feel like you're failing. Maybe you've even bought things a new couch, a bigger TV just to keep up appearances, to feel like you're giving your kids the life they deserve. But here's the truth. Debt doesn't define you. It's a situation, not your identity. The key is to stop the bleeding. Cut unnecessary expenses maybe, that extra streaming service, or the daily coffee run. They're often more flexible than you think. Start building an emergency fund, even if it's just $10 a week. It's not about impressing the neighbors. It's about securing your family's future. You're not alone in this millions, and parents are in the same boat. But the ones who succeed are those who prioritize their bank account over their ego. Now, young people just starting to invest. This is for you. You're in a unique position. Time is on your side, but beware of the ego trap. Don't invest to show off, buying crypto or stocks just to brag on social media. Invest to build a foundation. Start small, open a low-cost index fund with $50. If that's all you've got, learn the basics. There are free resources everywhere. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They're like shiny traps that promise gold but deliver dust. Your future self will thank you. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to start was yesterday, but the next best time is today. Don't let the pressure to look successful derail your long-term growth. Independent professionals, doctors, lawyers, dentists, up next. You're experts in your field, but maybe not in finance. It's tempting to live large, new car, big house, because you've earned it, right? But here's the reality. Income isn't wealth. Wealth is what you keep. I've seen professionals making six figures still living paycheck to paycheck because their lifestyle inflates with every raise. Automate your save and set up a transfer to an investment account the day your paycheck hits. Invest wisely, maybe in real estate or a diversified portfolio. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat your earnings. Instead of upgrading your car every year, upgrade your financial security. You've worked hard to get where you are. Don't let ego-driven spending steal your future. Entrepreneurs, let's talk. Your business is your baby, but don't let it consume you. I get it, you pour everything into it, and sometimes your personal finances take a back seat. Maybe you've even used your own credit card to keep the business afloat, blurring the lines between you and it. Here's the fix. Separate your personal and business finances. Pay yourself a salary, even if it's modest. Invest in assets outside your business: stocks, bonds, something stable. Diversify to protect your wealth. It's easy to tie your identity to your company's success, but real financial freedom comes from building wealth beyond it. Even the most successful entrepreneurs can lose it all if they don't manage their personal money wisely. Here's a way to picture it. Think of your finances like a garden. Your income is the water, your expenses are the weeds, and your investments are the seeds. If you don't tend to it, the weeds will choke the growth. Those impulse buys that need to look the part. But with care, trimming, the excess planting, smart, you can harvest abundance. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Ego is like those weeds. It looks harmless at first, but it can suffocate your progress if you're not careful. Or try this. Building wealth is like climbing a mountain. It's not about the fancy gear or showing off at base camp. It's about the steady steps, the right path, and the perseverance to reach the summit. There will be setbacks, a bad month, a failed investment, but each step forward gets you closer. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own climb. The view from the top is worth it, and it's not about who gets there first. It's about getting there sustainably. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people alive, said it best. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. It's a simple shift in mindset, but it's the difference between growing your bank account and growing your ego. When you prioritize saving and investing, you're choosing long-term freedom over short-term gratification. That's the secret the flashy folks won't tell you. Listen, I know it's hard. I've been there, stressed about money, feeling like there's no way out. Maybe you're there right now, watching this with a knot in your stomach, wondering if it's too late. It's not. You have the power to change your financial future. Start today. Make a budget, grab a notebook, an app, whatever works. Open that investment account. $5 is enough to begin. Talk to a financial advisor if you can. Whatever it is, take that first step. Your bank account will grow, and so will your peace of mind. Don't let ego hold you back. Real wealth is freedom, not flash. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Let's climb that mountain together.